How were you born?
From an egg, I think.
Ew.
Okay. So, where did you come from then?
Oh, well, in my world, there's this tree called the Tree of Life. Original, right? The tree grows this fruit that grants wishes. Every once in a while, a collector is allowed to pick the fruit for their own wish. And if they want to, they can wish for a child.
Wow, that actually sounds beautiful. Have you ever seen yourself?
Nope. That's just what the grown-ups always told me when I asked where babies come from.
Ah,